Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello. Hi.
Namaste. We are international credit transfer program students. We are from Muhammadiyah University in Cirebon. My name is Masarwi.
My name is Sunikul Anika. My name is Atika Meliana.
My name is Didi Prihaji.
We are English education students and we are now in 5th semester. And in this video, we would like to share with you our activities during the ICT program in LPU, Lovely Professional University in India. So, check this out. Check it out.
Program transfer kredit internasional berada di bawah naungan Direktorat Jenderal Pendidikan Tinggi dan Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Republik Indonesia. Nah, program ini memberikan kesempatan kepada mahasiswa Indonesia untuk bisa mengikuti pembelajaran atau perkuliahan di universitas yang berada di luar negeri. Adapun tujuan program transfer kredit internasional yaitu pertama, mengembangkan wawasan mahasiswa Indonesia terkait dunia internasional. Kedua, meningkatkan kemampuan kompetensi hard skill dan soft skill mahasiswa Indonesia. Ketiga, memperluas pemahaman sosial kultur dan internasionalisasi sistem pendidikan di luar negeri. Dan yang terakhir, untuk mempersiapkan mahasiswa Indonesia dengan kompetensi global dan daya saing di tingkat level internasional. Persyaratan mahasiswa untuk bisa mengikuti program transfer kredit internasional yaitu yang pertama adalah mahasiswa program sarjana 1 ataupun pasca sarjana S2 ataupun S3. Yang kedua adalah mahasiswa peserta program sedang berada minimal di semester 3. Yang ketiga adalah terdaftar dan aktif di perguruan tinggi negeri maupun perguruan tinggi swasta. Yang keempat, memiliki sertifikat TOEFL dengan minimal skor 450 atau memiliki sertifikat IELTS dengan minimal skor 5 ataupun memiliki sertifikat bahasa Inggris, kemampuan bahasa Inggris lainnya yang setara. Dan yang terakhir adalah Letter of Acceptance atau LOA jika sudah ada.
During the COVID pandemic, the university hasn't allowed the student to carry out the offline or face-to-face learning activity, so we can only do the online learning by using several platforms such as MyClass, Google Meet, and UMS or OAS. We use MyClass as the main platform for attending the classes in LPU. In addition, we also use Google Meet for certain occasions or when the main platform is not working properly. And for taking the exams, we use UMS or OAS from the university. When the learning begins, the lecturer will activate the video from my class and upload the matter to be discussed. Meanwhile, the student will give greeting to the lecturer such as good morning sir or good morning ma'am and etc. At the beginning of the learning activity, the lecturer will ask the student to conclude the material that has been discussed in the previous meeting and continue it with the new material. After that, the lecturer also provides several quizzes in the form of polling option. After that, the lecturer will ask the student one by one about the material that is being discussed.
So, the learning process is conducted online and LPU is using MyClass platform as a tool for the learning process. To join the class, we need to log in with our username and password. After that, we need to click on a few classes or meetings. After we clicked, we're gonna see the timetable. Then we click the timetable and we can join the class. If you're not joining the class, we can click on the previous meetings and then you're gonna click view recording, and then the recording is showed, and we can learn by the recording itself. Well, in LPU, after we finish one unit, we're gonna conduct a CA, which is a test. So this is a MCQ pass test or multiple choice question. So we can access the test on OAS platform. We need to log in first. It used the same password and username with my class. So after we log in, we can find the task, the name of the task, and then after that we follow the next instruction. After we finish the task, we can see the result, and also it's gonna show your mark on the test. And then we have a LP Live platform. This LP Live is used to chat, to share the PPTs, the material from lecturer to the students, and we also use it to discuss. It's more like a chat room.
Since we were studying at lovely professional university, we feel that so many benefits are obtained during the lectures. The first, we got new knowledge because in this one semester, we learned with lecturers and students from India. We have discussed some topics, explained or exchanged the ideas, solve the problem together with them. So I think it makes increase our knowledge, and probably it will be our new experience sharing ideas with foreign people. The second is discipline. Most of teachers start their lecture on time, and they has never been absent to teach, and then the lecture has 60 minutes of time, and student will be considered present if they follow the 40 minutes lecture. Other than that, when we were asked to do the task, we have to collect them, and then it will be scored automatically. Okay, the last is new friends. This is the one of the benefits of participating in the international credit transfer program, that we have new friends. We can build good relationship with them, and then exchanging information or learning about Indian culture or many more. That is very fun. Well, beside the benefits, of course, we were also facing some obstacle. Jadi selain beberapa manfaat yang tadi saya sampaikan sebelumnya, kami juga mengalami beberapa hambatan di dalam melaksanakan perkuliahan ini. Because as we know that during this pandemic, we do an online learning. Jadi permasalahan terbesar dalam melaksanakan perkuliahan online itu adalah di internet connection. Seringkali kami mengalami hambatan dalam koneksi internet yang buruk, sehingga penjelasan dosen kadang tidak jelas. Selain itu, ada beberapa dosen India yang masih kental dengan aksen atau logat bahasa Hindi or Hindi language-nya, sehingga beberapa kali kita juga harus bisa memahami apa maksud dari materi tersebut. Okay, the last is time zone. Because Indonesia and India has a different time, it is about 1.5 hours, so we have to adapt with their times, with their lectures.
Well, hello everyone. I'm going to tell you about India and its culture in a very short way. So, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territory. In India, there are 4 main religions. First is Hinduism, second is Islam, and then Christianity, Sikhism, and Buddhism. So there are a lot of festivals in India. I'm going to tell you 2 festivals. First is Diwali and then Holi. So Diwali is a festival of lights and Holi is a festival of color. These 2 festivals celebrated by Hindu. Just like in Indonesia, in India, different states, different places has its own food, has its own traditional dress or traditional clothes. For example, in Punjab, women basically wear a dress called salwar. So this salwar is different with sari, where sari is a traditional dress or traditional clothes from Uttar Pradesh. Well, during the program, I also make some friends, to talk about the material, to talk about the lecture, and also about the culture. Sometimes we share about sharing our culture. I mean, like she told us about Indian culture, and I tell her about my culture. In this video, I'm going to make a video call with my friends. One of my friends, we have one lecturer in common. Her name is Ria. She is a postgraduate student, and she also math teacher. Okay, now let's call her. Hello, how are you? Oh, it's windy here. Hi, how are you? Fine. Yes, I also am from a few. So are you guys hanging out together? Hey, how about meeting? So, ready? What?
Okay, that's all our activity during study at LPU. Thanks for watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.